There was a time when the only way to make money was to find a part-time job at a local business or a shopping mall. Those days are long gone. There are now an infinite number of opportunities to make money online, thanks to the expansion of the internet. There are a lot of different ways to make money online, and it doesn't matter if you have experience in a specific field or just want to try something different. And today we are going to introduce a strategy that you can use to make some money. With this method, you can potentially get paid $513.52 instantly. You don't need any technical skills or experience. All you have to do is to pay attention to this video. Take note of our tips, make an account, and make some money. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Today, you will need to go to the website called Digistore24. Now, it is very essential that you check out this video first before going to the website. So we suggest you stick until the end of the video. If you don't, you might miss the chance to make some good money right in the comforts of your home. The concept of this website is really simple. All you have to do is set up a free account and you will get access to their marketplace and find a variety of offers and products that you can promote. All these you can do with a click of a button. We promise that you are going to love it because everything is very simple and easier than you think it is. When you go to Digistore24.com, you will have to click the button that says Marketplace. Once you do that, it will bring you to a page where you can find literally more than 200 different offers and products that you can promote and earn commission from. Now, say for example, there is a package or product that can help you earn up to $100 or more in commissions. Right now, we can just go on and literally show you the hundreds of products on this website. From there, you can choose any one of them and start promoting and earning commissions online. But right now, we will show you the first bonus tip to maximize your earnings. Once you come over to the marketplace, we want you to click on this down arrow. You see, everything here is arranged by default, according to its sales rank. If you click the down arrow, you will have to choose to sort everything by earnings or by sale. You can just click on that, and Digistore24 will automatically help you to filter all the results and show you the highest earning products or those that will give you the highest commissions so that you will choose those to promote. Now, before you're able to grab this link right here, you have to first sign up for a free account. When you go back here to the homepage of Digistore24, all you have to do is click on this blue button to sign up for free. And that's going to take you to the page where you can fill up information. At this point, on the very first page, you need to make certain that you select the option to sign up as an affiliate, because that is exactly what you are going to do. After all, the reason you are here is to make money online through commissions. After that, you are free to enter any username you like, and the platform will automatically assist you in generating your own personal affiliate links. You have the potential to earn a significant amount of commission by promoting any of the products sold on this website by utilizing the one-of-a-kind affiliate links provided. After that, you will be prompted to enter your email address, select a time zone, and create a password before proceeding further. As can be concluded from this, they are in essence welcoming individuals hailing from a variety of nations all over the world. After choosing your country and your time zone, the last step in the registration process is to read and accept the terms and conditions. And then, all that's left is to click the button to complete the process and create an account for free. As soon as you have finished successfully creating your account, you will be able to begin making money. If everything goes according to plan, you should be able to get your one-of-a-kind affiliate links immediately after clicking the button that says Promote Now. And whenever anyone clicks on this link, they will be taken to the product that is available for purchase on the platform. You're eligible to earn a commission of up to 50% or even a higher rate, depending on the product. If the customer reads all of the promotional materials, considers their options, and ultimately decides to buy the product. You can now promote the products on Reddit and ensure that there will be sales from which you will receive a commission by running ads on the platform. This is essentially a platform that operates much like a forum in which a large number of users discuss a variety of subjects. When users post questions, other users will answer those questions with information that is helpful. When it comes to the time to promote your product, this is where you will come in. Find the right questions to ask, and that's all there is to it. You simply need to navigate to the search bar that is located right here and type in specific keywords to find the people who are most likely to click on your affiliate link. For instance, if your product is a guide for people who want to make money online, you need to find people who are interested in making money online before you can sell your product to them. When you go to Reddit, you have the option of typing in search terms like, "How can I make money online?" and then clicking on the search button to see relevant results. They are going to bring you to this page and display all of the search results once you reach that point. You can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for different posts in which people have asked questions. Then, after you have crafted a reasonably respectful response that does not appear to be a spam or to be randomly promoting it, you can insert the affiliate link into your text. Be wary, however, because despite the fact that it's widespread across the entire platform, it is against the rules to promote anything on Reddit, with the exception of the subreddits that do permit it. And there you have it. Once again, we have provided you a new way to earn money online, all by using affiliate links. To make money through affiliate marketing, you must first learn what people are looking for online and then locate the highest paying products that are a good match for what those people are interested in. You will then be in a position to produce high quality content that attracts these individuals to your website, where you can point them in the direction of your affiliate offers. So what are you waiting for? Check out this strategy and the websites mentioned earlier right now, and start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you then!